the keyboard, and she'll play America the Beautiful.
Are you serious?
Yes.
She plays the piano.
She does.
Yes.
She's going to play that keyboard
No
right
way.
there.
No, she's
Yes, she
not.
picked it up very quickly. She's very intelligent.
Amazing. Good luck.
Thank you
Thank
very
you.
much.
I can't wait to see that.
Do it.
Chicken's going to play the piano.
Good luck, baby. All right. Do your thing.
Wait a minute.
Cha-cha. Come on.
No way. No! That is crazy.
That is what I call talent.
Oh my God. When you feel like you've just seen it all, you have a chicken playing the song. I can't believe it.
Harry, what did you think?
What makes one think that, oh, we have a chicken, let's get a piano?
Well, we actually have a drummer as well.
Are you putting together a chicken band?
Yes, we have one.
Wow.
Oh my God.
Oh, can you imagine? Simon, for your label, a new band, it's all chicks.
Oh, yeah.
You know what? I think we're kind of talking as if this sort of thing normally happens. This is historic. Well, let's vote. Howie, yes or no?
Yes!
Mel?
Oh, definite yes.
Heidi?
This is literally one of the craziest things I've ever seen here on America's Got Talent. Really, love this act, definitely.